Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will learn about actors that are available in Scala. So it's an actor is an entity which communicates to other actor by message passing. So if you are here means you already understood about why we use these actors. And before this ACA, Scala has its own library, actors library, but after version 2.1, so the ACA library deprecated with this Scala existing actors library. So ACA is an open source library. You can call it as a toolkit kind of thing. So it is used to create concurrent, distributed, and fault tolerant applications. So you can integrate this library into any JVM that supports, and then we will see how Scala programming language can interpret with this. And ACA is also written in Scala, and it implements actor-based model. So we'll see how we create a simple actor and how we pass the message between two actors with the help of Scala programming. Before to this, we would be knowing a couple of things which will be helpful while creating actors. So we need to import a couple of things, and we will create project by defining what kind of libraries that we need to include. Okay, I have a sample project already available. Let me just get the SBT properties file. So this is build.sbt you need to create before you work with this. Yes, so the name I have given as a hello test and the version 1.0, and Scala version currently I am having 2.12, and resolvers and library dependency you need to define like this for this latest ACA, and for Scala version this is the sample build.sbt available. So let me create a new project for this. I'm just creating a new project over here. So I have created a folder called demo actors, and then I'm placing, let me create a new file over here, or else I'll just use save as option, build.sbt within demo actors. No, it's saved as .txt. It shouldn't be. It should be always as a .sbt. Let me go back to this. Yeah, you can delete this. Alright. So now let me navigate to this from the command line. Demo actors, and then let me try to create a new project. So I will use sbt command directly, and it will ask me to create our you see here demo actors. I'm inside the demo actors. So let it load all the configuration files, because we have defined library in the build.sbt. It will take some time. Yeah, if you see, the project has created. And it's loading settings for the project and loading global plugins. So why this is means, like, once you extract all these libraries, then only you can work with actors. Until unless the Scala will not understand when you import some features like actors, actor system, and props. So it's been updating. Yes. Now the project has been created, hello test1. Now what we will do, we will go back to the directory and then create source. Inside source we will create main, and within main we will create scala. Alright, so within scala we will be writing a scala program, so which will import actors and how to send messages between those two actors. Now here, okay, let me open a new file here. So in order to work with actors, you need to import first couple of libraries here, actor.actor. So actor system. So actor system is a root actor in actor structure. An actor system is a hierarchical group of actors which share common configuration. For example, like dispatchers, deployments, remote capabilities, and addresses. So it is also kind of an entry point for creating or looking up actors. So it is an abstract class which extends actor factory trait. So now we will import another library, import actor.props. So prop is nothing but it's a configuration class which is used to specify options while creating an actor. So it is immutable, so it is thread safe and shareable. So now we will start with our creation of these actors by first defining the class. So class, I will just define sample actor extends actor. So always this any class that you are defining that should extends actor. So this is the library for this actor trait, and yes, this is a class. Now we have to define a method or override method receive. So within this, now you can use like case, define case, message. I'm just printing the message, and also if it is we are not receiving any message, then in that case display. Yes. So this is how we create a class over here, and definition receive. Now we will create object. We'll define text actor extends app. So no need to create a main method over here for Scala. So within this, first thing first, define a method for initiating actor system. So this is the way. Val system. This is a variable that I am defining. Value and actor system. So actor system. This is used to initiate actor system. Let me give some sample name. Sample actor. Then now I will create the actor. This is where we will create actor. I will give simple actor. dot actor of, this is the method to create actor of, to create actor. So within this we will give props. So we know props is a configuration class again, so you can specify like this. I'm giving a name for this parent actor, and this is the object name that you can give, a class name, sorry, this is the class name that you have given here. So sample actor, this is actor example, I will give actor system. So here we have initiated actor system, and again we are using actor of and props to define the actor, and this is the name of the actor. So now we will pass the message. How we will pass message means, like, we give actor, and this is exclamatory mark, this is to pass the message, and we will write the message over here. That's all. So let me test this by saving within source, sorry, where I am. So I am in demo actors, source, main, scala. So the name would be, the object name I would be preferring, so test actor dot scala. Yes, it has been saved. So let's compile it. So we are already inside this project, and let me compile by giving the command compile subrating. Let's see if there is any error. It will throw an error. Now you see that there is a, sorry, this is a string, not the message. So let me compile it again. Okay, test actor, it's not saved, I think. Didn't save, so I'm executing one more time. Yeah, done compiling. We will see for any errors. Yeah, it thrown success message. Now we will run it by using the run command, running test actor. You see here. So running test actor, this is the object, hello Kulaipa, the message that has been. So unfortunately we didn't initiate system.shutdown, so still the process will keep running over here. So we actually required to define system.shutdown. We must use this. Yes, system.shutdown. Save this. Actually, this will continue. Let me stop it. Yeah, shutting down the server. Yes. Okay, I'm using again SBT in order to continue the execution and exit. I want to show you the exit, how system.shutdown will work. So because there was no mechanism in order to stop that particular job even after receiving a message, so we need to externally terminate that using system.shutdown command. So let me relaunch that application again. So let's take this as an example one, and moving forward I will be demonstrating on other options, how we can create child actors and tell, receive method, all these kind of functions. We will take each one example and then demonstrate. So here I'm again launching SPT, so in order to show you how it will execute after receiving the message. Yeah, so I'll straight away run this. So it's loading the classes. it's compiling first. So run will also compiles the code and then runs. Yeah, you can see here running test actor. So it received hello Kulaipa. Yeah, and then exited. So this is how you initiate actors and work with actors. It is a kind of message accessing, and Akka, this is the important thing. So Akka is a open source for us. So to create a concurrent and distributed fault tolerant applications. Yeah, thanks for watching and please do subscribe. We will be demonstrating more examples on actors and concurrency as well. Thank you very much.